take your seats. It's been a while, but I'm back on top. To the world is mine, I don't plan to stop. It's time to let the curtain rise. We're gonna shake.
Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage again. We're here at a show that the Flat 12 boys have organised at the Dubai Autodrome, which is a regular spot for us to kind of hang out at. Let's go take a look at the cars and have a great day. JP's 993. This thing's stunning. We'll take a bit more of a look at this one later, because this is just... We've been watching it getting restored, and the story of how we found the car, which we'll go through a little bit later, but we've been dying to see this. Originally had a bright yellow interior, but for good reason he's changed the seats to black. Stunning car. Look at that. We've seen a couple of these in town. So I think there's a black one, there's like a gunmetal one, and then there's this red one. We've only actually seen two of them out on the road at the same time. They used to stop making the tyres for these, but this one looks like it's found a set, the Yokohamas, that kind of fit. Have a look inside at the minute at the tunnel, because they're a bit like a Hummer where there's not a lot of space inside them. And then next to this is the Countach. Look at that beast sat there. Two beautiful Lambos. SV to round off the Lamborghinis for this morning. In good company with the others. So we've got a full line of Porsches, GT3, GT3 RS. Love the green. I think that's my favourite colour in the RS. Matt's SC. Tom's 964. 944 down here as well. Another RS in the crayon, gold wheels, Weezer pack. Of course, JP's stunning 993. Another little 993. Holger's Race 993. 993 Turbo. The RS again.
Real Porsches, Scott.
Real Porsches?
Yeah.
RWB. So this green one's one of the first ones here in town. I think there were three first made. I think we've got the green one here, and we'll go to the blue one in a minute. But again, green's a favourite colour at the moment. This one's lovely. It is our favourite, I think, out of the RWBs here. Look at the deep dish on that. That's massive. Green and yellow interior. Massive wing. Stunning car. I know they can be a bit marmite. People not sure if they like the fact with an RWB that they get cut up and all kinds of stuff happen to them, but this one's really nice. Gutted out interior as well. Then we come to this red one. This was only just finished recently here in town. Like the rear scoops. Very clean finish on this one. I think the red looks great. That does look good. And then we come to the blue one, which is kind of driven as a daily. He drives this car a lot, which I guess is what it's all about. But that's probably our second favourite of the RWBs here. Just because he really does drive this all the time. So not a bad Porsche lineup for today. One for every person, I think.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
So we posted a picture on our Insta stories when we were heading down Shakeside Road, and this little mini passed us. Cool. So I think follow the guys at HB.5. It's a nice mini. So we go from the big four-wheel drives, this monster, and then we head right down to the Isetta. And the Isetta's right in the middle of a collection today, so the big four-wheel drive that we saw just a second ago. The Jeep here as well. The Ford's getting jacked up. So we've covered the RWB before, but what seems to keep happening is these little 911 S's keep popping up from everywhere this season. This one looks like it's had a refurbished interior, clearly new paint as well. Seen a few cars with the chrome wheels at the moment as well. The interior's completely been redone. It's almost woolly on the inside. Tom and Amjad have given up on the day. Seems to be breakfast time. I'd queue up for coffee as well, but the queue's massive. 66 DeVille crew, based out of Abu Dhabi. We're going to go see these guys in the next couple of weeks and visit their garage. Really looking forward to that. More on these boys later. The Arabian bisons have turned up. What the hell? How are you?
Good, how are you? That's a hearse.
I feel less royal than you.
Big boss. I'm waiting for that.
A couple of hearses. Now this is not something that you see very often. The Arabian bison lads brought these down. This one here is an urn chariot. Shall we call it a chariot? I think we can get away with calling it a chariot. And then the other one is actually for people or a person. .356C. Again, haven't seen this in town as well, so this is great. And this one has the factory sunroof. Lovely little car. Always nice to see the Dubai police turn up. Hopefully they don't recognise the Breadvan and they're not here to give us a ticket for the other day. So this Dallara, they race in Formula 3. I think this is number 42. I think it has a Ford engine as well. I think it's 2,000 kilograms. This is one mean racing machine. Here we have the two Gullwings together. We'll take a look inside this. There's a little bit of luxury in your life. Twin turbo V12. Black badge colour. Look at that. This is a bit of me. Look at it, look on the shifter. The selector. Oh, it's comfortable. Look at that.
Oh, put a deposit down on one. Now I just need to find a driver. Are you ready to be my driver?
And just when you think things couldn't get any bigger, the truck turns up. Look at that for an interior. Said it before and we'll say it again. We love a bright coloured interior. Always nice to see another 930 down here. Abu Dhabi plate on this one. Guards red, looks great. So we got all the off-roaders, the Bentley,
This actually is pretty good.
the Z. So I guess if we don't know what we're doing with our money, we're just going to buy a Bentley and do this to it.
And then we do a race, huh?
Yeah.
Do a rally.
We could have bought the Rolls Royce earlier, then one of these, and we're all ready for any kind of situation.
For glamping, right?
Yeah, you're right, that's not an off-road tyre. And we're disappointed.
GT Speed Off-Road. Wait. Yeah. Oh, you got that made in Sharjah.
Yeah.
The plaque with the chassis. But it's cool, eh? You tell your mates, look, I made this for me, man. It's just amazing.
So we've been getting confused all day. This is the Airworks 356. 1958. This is stunning. Look at that. We'll grab a look on the inside. The other one that we were saying was Airworks must have been ARMs. That's lovely. So I think we're going to try and distract the owner and then steal this one today. He's left the keys in, so that should make it a lot easier for us. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Massive thanks to Flat 12 and the boys. We'll catch you later guys. Please like, subscribe, see you soon.
Are you ready for the knockdown, drag out, stand up, get loud, this is how we get down.
What a day, thank you very much, Outlaw Garage.